Here's how to customize backgrounds in Canva step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Open your design in Canva. Click once on the empty background until it's selected. In the top left corner, click Background Color. Here you can choose from Default Colors, Brand Colors, Saved Colors. To create your own color, click Add a New Color. Choose a solid color or enter a hex code like FFFFFFFF. You can also add gradients. Choose linear or radial gradients. Adjust the angle and even add multiple colors to create smooth transitions. To use an image's background, go to Photos or Uploads. Drag the image onto the canvas until it snaps into the background. Once you apply a color, it's saved automatically so you can reuse it later. Great for brand consistency. Make sure you click the background itself, not text or elements, or the color won't change. Background colors and gradients are perfect for presentations, social media posts, and thumbnails. And that's it. That's how to change background images and colors in Canva. Subscribe for more Canva design tips.